Sairam, this is Venkat for Asset.com. Today I'm speaking about speaking for girls and guys who are going through breakup in relationship or some problems in their relationship. Some of these relationship happens in real life environment like schools, colleges, offices. That is fine, but some of these relationships completely happen in a virtual environment. People whom they have come across on social channels. So I have a few things to tell you when something is not working out and when a relationship is giving you pain, remember the most important thing you have to do is try to divert your mind and don't give importance to it. I know it's very painful, but please try to come out of it. So number one, divert your mind, and number two, read good books. I'm not telling you to read only Sai Satcharitra or Baba's book. I'm telling you to read any good books, any books that you find will be useful for you. That will make you realize that the world has so many other things to think about, to worry about, to learn about. And you can also remember one of the important fact that loving someone alone is also something very bad. It's very selfish behavior. So learn to love everyone. Love your parents, love your siblings, love your other good friends. Express yourself to them, and be very kind to them. So this way, try to divert your mind on people who are really kind to you, who are really good to you. And of course, the most important thing is that you will be keeping on repeating the same thing, whether this guy will come back to me or this girl will come back to me, whether I can rewind something that happened in the past. No, don't think like that. Think about future. Think about what you can learn to enhance yourself in your career. Think about what you can do to grow in your career. Think about what you can do to make your parents proud, or what what will satisfy you in the long run. So think about that. Think positively. uh, the most painful thing in any relationship, when you're facing problems, is that you will become dull, you will become depressed. So try to be ambitious, try to be goal oriented, set a goal, take a paper and write down what you want to do in your life and focus on that. There are lots of good things that are going to happen in your life. This is not the end of it. So I pray to each and every one of you to come out of this and lead a very beautiful life. Baba is always with you. Serious Baba, I've taken him near me just to show you. Om Sai Ram, this is Venkat, firstasa.com.